Can't clean. Listen, man.
Hey. Them the face.
Man.
Listen, man.
That
one they breast long. The one out there so look sick. And another one, them have fault.
You have sister?
Yes,
You have mother?
Yes.
You get any kids?
No.
Sometimes some people just don't have it. You ever think about that? Right?
Then they don't come on the show.
No, you can't say that, baby, but unfortunate like me and you. Like that. Alright, honestly, listen to me. You are you and me amazing, but honestly though, I'm just saying this as a girl to a male. Like when you did that to another female, because of course, them gonna have fault. Everybody have faults. But when you do that now, a girl like me not going to want to settle down with you.
Now today, we're gonna get into Pop the Balloon to Find Love, Jamaican edition. Let's get into it.
The next female for me now. Come to that side here. Alright. Introduce yourself, your name, your mic is.
My mic is.
Yeah.
Hi gentlemen, my name is Prince, the Queen. Yeah. Artist.
Okay, now that's a red flag right there. Where's she going with that baseball bat? Who's she gonna use it on? And why did she bring it? Fellas, if a woman comes on the platform with a baseball bat, that's an immediate red flag. Shows that she's masculine and aggressive. And this is the type of woman you don't want in your life. Right? You want a woman that's gonna bring you peace, gentlemen. Alright? Right, now let's get into the video.
Cheers. Yeah.
Yeah? That's what you do?
That's what I do.
Alright. I am one person pop them balloon.
That is it.
Let's find out. What the bat for?
Me Harley Quinn, you know. Dance all Harley Quinn. What you say now?
With the bottom come in.
Are you get licked so that's the bus balloon?
Okay.
That makes sense.
When you
It for it? What is it?
But me know you.
You know me?
Yeah, me know say you.
Me know about
You know
me.
is an artist and all these things.
Yes.
Man, so that alone, it's a no for me. I love that singer. Don't be wrong, you know. It's an artist, but you're out there already, so.
That is it.
So yeah.
Okay, no say not a chance.
You don't say that. Me not a
is it.
chance. Me
Yeah.
not think about that.
Alright,
You know, me
baby.
not have that. Not my intention.
My
So
respect. My respect.
bless up yourself.
Alright, so that's why you pop the balloon.
Yeah, man. Done for me.
Because she's an artist?
No, man. She out there already. You know, say me out there. She out there. You see what you see that one is out.
You're an
And then,
artist too?
and then she, yeah, I'm a singer.
You're a
By
singer?
profession, yes.
Okay.
And then she go slap me the bottom and come in.
I'm rated from 1 to 10.
From 1 to 10, well, me 8 orange, like me 8 orange completely. So me will give you a 3.
Okay.
3 because of
Thank
that.
you very
man.
much. Thank you
Three,
very
man.
much.
Yeah, man. To me, my style not at all.
Okay.
How much did I rate him from 1 to 10?
Alright, cool. Maybe 7.5.
7.5.
Yeah. You're nappy though. Yeah.
Thanks, beautiful.
Okay. Alright, my love.
Alright.
Alright, one thing I can't stand with Jamaican society is their colorism. You're gonna disparage this man because he has nappy hair, but underneath that weave, you got nappy hair as well. Both of you got nappy hair. It's time for Jamaican people and black people all over the world to stop with the colorism. We need to stop it, right? We need to stop the self, delight. We need to stop disliking ourselves and start loving ourselves. Let's get into the video. Already she's starting to put me off. Me, if I was on the show, it's a definite no. Because she's promoting colorism, and me personally, I don't appreciate that.
Alright, come to the side there. Alright, so the male where balloon get pop to the walk with grace. Alright, so your choice now
What?
for pop them balloon, right?
Okay.
Alright, so this is for you.
So we can use a bat.
You can't use the bat and pop them balloon. Yeah.
Alright.
So more you pop 2 males balloon right now.
Yeah.
Pop 2 males balloon right now.
Yo. Yeah. Yo.
Alright. Why you pop film balloon?
Alright, to be honest, I like a work shirt something there.
Work
I know my style. Your color, I know my style. I like that.
Same work.
Yeah. Who not look over yourself, so what they do?
Alright then.
Yeah.
Alright, so what do you think about her?
Okay, I want PMP girl, man. She's so.
Definitely not a PMP girl, my love.
Yeah, she's
Is an artist. I just choose any color I feel like. You see me? Once it look good for me.
So your favorite color?
Yeah, my favorite color is pink and the shade black.
Me personally, I would have disqualified her for that blonde hair, right? I don't like seeing black women with blonde hair. For me, it's a turn off, right? If I wanted a blonde hair woman, I would go be with a white woman. And yeah, if I was on the show, no, I'd have popped my balloon. You're a black woman, yeah, with blonde hair. That tells me that you're insecure about yourself. But that's just me personally. No, I don't like seeing black women with blonde hair. You know, it tells me that they're insecure and they're trying to be something that they're not. But let's continue.
How much did I rate her from 1 to 10?
360. And she want a 9. I
Say
give her a
no.
9.
I get a 9.
Thank you very much, my darling.
Why the 9? Face, everything?
She good, man. Just choose Poppy Balloon.
Cha-cha. Oh, 9 because you pop it.
Yeah, man.
Oh, forward. Sorry. Come to the side there. Alright, so why you pop theme balloon?
Alright, so me be very honest. Like, the dark skin thing and my thing first. You see me? And
Yeah.
honestly, a little birdie come make me know straight. You know, say you are going now. G, blunt like me. Me no want two card carrying and a pen. And anybody feel like they want disrespect, suspense, all the queen are gonna get this. Me not do that something there. You see what I say? So you know what me do? Me here say him.
Now, you see, fellas, this woman, she's coming across way too masculine. You know, calling him me G. No. As a lady, you couldn't address me as my G or my guy. No. That's an instant disqualification. Yeah? And also, back to the colorism thing. You're gonna disqualify him because he's too dark. But you and him are almost the same color. Jamaica's an equatorial country, right? Majority of Jamaicans are of African descent. Yeah? 97% of Jamaicans are of African descent. Yeah? Black is beautiful. Right? But you're gonna disqualify him because he's too dark. When Jamaica's a very hot country. I mean, make it make sense. Like, this woman, well, her level of intelligence is, you know, very low. Not to disrespect her, but nah. She's definitely not my type. Instant disqualification. And she looks like she bleaches her skin. So, to me, she seems very insecure. She has blonde hair, excess tattoos. I mean, I love tattoos, but she has excess tattoos. Nah, to me, she seems too insecure. But anyway, back to the video.
The bull out here, so I make sure I come pop in balloon because I'm not going to bully me. I don't take bullying at all.
Oh,
Yeah.
so word go back on the street.
Yeah, man, right up on the streets, I'm going to come here, we're going. You see me? Me don't want to stuck with a bully, me, I tell you the truth.
So who?
I don't want to stuck with a bully.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you make me waste all of my.
You don't want to get stuck with a bully, but you yourself is a bully. Really? Your attitude is very masculine, right? You want to bully the man. Already, this young lady is shutting the door on an opportunity to find love. Because she says she don't want no bully, but she herself wants to be the bully. Fellas, when you see women like this, run for the hills. Take up your two legs them in your hands and run for the hills. Run away from women like this. Women like this is only going to create chaos in your life. This is the type of female you don't want, right? Women with blonde hair, excess tattoos, and the attitude of the, oh, I'm masculine or I'm an alpha female. Fellas, nope. You need to avoid women like this. You need a woman that's going to bring you peace and a woman who loves her blackness. Because this daughter right here, so yeah, she's bleaching her skin. Nah. And she's a colorist, so no. That's an instant disqualification for me. But if you want to go for her, fellas, that's up to you. But for me, nah, this type of woman is not for me. Too many insecurities, and she too masculine. Nah. Back to the video.
Credit. Vote for you.
Thank you so very much for voting for me, but that was so long ago.
I don't like that. Because
You want back some credit?
no, you don't have to give me back no credit.
Okay.
You see me and say, but me feel insulted by that.
No, you
You
should
get
not
me?
be.
But I don't feel like say you should have listened to somebody else's opinion and
listen
come
to
out.
them.
Why?
You know why? You know really why I do that? Because honestly, me really not go sit down and make you come bully me, come here, you know. The girl them not telling a lie. A lie, females? Alright, see
No,
that?
but you need to look on them flaws and your sister and lie me and
No,
tell that one
but
there
me can't
clean,
look on
one
her.
clean. Listen, man.
Many man.
Listen,
But
man.
the man want that.
That one there breast long. The
Jesus.
one out there so look sick. And another one, them have fault.
Honestly, we just feel like them have fault, but me feel like you have sister? You have mother?
Yes.
You get any kids?
No.
You not get any kids.
Fellas, also, please stay away from women that's going to use shaming language, because put it this way, it is okay for a woman to point out a man's flaws, but it's not okay for a man to point out a woman's flaws, because she was the one that just said, oh, she don't like dark-skinned men. But yeah, she sees being dark-skinned as a flaw, right? When dark skin is of the Most High God. I mean, God is black, Jesus is black, the angels in heaven are black. Yeah, for those who don't know. But she wants to confront him for pointing out another female's flaws. And I'm gonna put this video right here.
Why you pack the ball, G?
Well, me have three problems, you see me? Well, first problem, I don't know if you have me confused. You get me? I say, I don't know if you're young or you're old. You see me? Two, you wear brassiere and them thing there. Because your breast long. You get me? I say, three, you should have cut your toenail because your toenail them dirty. You see me? Me just have to be honest. You see me? That's the only problem I have with you. Otherwise than that, yeah, good.
So ask her age if you want.
Why your age? 22. See the wrong. You look older than that. You need to. If I even make up for me, still pop a balloon, but do something stronger than that, man.
What do you think about him? How much did I rate him? 3. 3? Why 3? Tell me now.
No manners. You don't have no manners.
So, alright, so tell me.
Man, disrespectful man.
So yeah, that was the video she's referring to, right? She's very, you know, masculine, and she feels as though she has to confront him. Well, let's get back in the video.
I don't know how that I know.
Yet.
No,
honestly, though, like, I mean, we hear what you say, but sometimes some people just don't have it. You ever think about that? Right?
then you don't come on the show.
No, you can't say that, baby, but unfortunate like me and you.
No, but you have to, alright, and I like your breast them with the one place. You get
You know,
me?
my
I say,
just jam them up here, so come on, come in here.
so that me and say should I adjust for your one them too?
No, I'm not like that. Alright, honestly, listen to me. You are you and me and me, Zine, but honestly though, I'm just saying this as a girl to a male. Like when you did that to another female, because of course, them have fault. Everybody have faults. But when you do that now, a girl like me not going to want to settle down with you.
No,
understand
be
me?
truthful at the end of the
Being
day.
truthful is not being, you know, for hurt them feelings, being truthful.
So what you want me to do? Comfort you with lie?
No, sweetheart.
But then the thing I don't understand is a woman can tell a man that he's too short, he's too broke, or his, you know, front is too small, you know, long enough, right? But if a man said to a woman XYZ about her flaws, or he's being, you know, he's disparaging women, you know, he doesn't like his mother, and, you know, use all sorts of shaming language to try and subdue a man from expressing his opinions. Yeah? This shows the double standard when it comes to dating, right? Because a man can't say XYZ about a woman's flaws, but a woman can't say XYZ about a man's flaws, right? Now, yeah, because she feels so comfortable, you know, in this man's face, confronting him about pointing out a woman's flaws, right? But let's get back in the video.
All you had to do was burst the balloon and say, Mama, you're not my type. But long breasts and sick on them something there.
No, that's too simple.
That's too far,
That's too
bro.
simple. You have to elaborate.
I know a simple youth.
No,
Big up
that's
yourself.
simple.
Alright. Alright, my G. You never pop the balloon, but after a while.
balloon?
Yeah. But him never pop it at first.
Yeah.
But after a while, I pop it. Why?
Alright, I want to start off with she nice. You see.
Thank you very much.
Secondly, me hear she talk, she mad.
It's bad.
What kind of bad, sir?
What you know?
Which kind of bad them?
She look like the type of girl where as I have experience with mad girl rolling. She a gonna do a bag of fuck.
I swear to God, high
that's
five,
it.
right? Yes, high five. As a mad girl, I'm a toxic. True.
Too toxic.
True,
people
true,
can't
true.
work, you see me? But from that,
And you see, it's okay for a woman to say, oh, I'm very toxic. But if a man saying toxic, that's a red flag to a woman. Yeah. That's red flag to women if a man says he's toxic. But if a woman says, oh, I'm toxic, it's a green flag. Fellas, any woman that comes to you and say that she's toxic, believe her. This woman is not going to bring you peace. Alright? You want a woman that's going to bring you peace in your life. Yeah? Who's going to be agreeable with you. Alright, let's get into the video.
she not on the floss too.
Thank you very much.
She's nice, isn't it?
What's your name?
Jay.
Jay?
Yeah.
Good. Big up yourself. You want me to rate him?
Yeah.
But I never rate him.
No, you want to read him? You want
Nobody rate me. I don't want it.
You don't
Because I
rate you?
feel like you're going to insult me.
Why would I insult
Because
you?
you and the whole of them plan out for me, you know.
No.
No, I don't think
I
so.
want it. I don't want it.
Honest, can I please
If
rate
it
you?
good, they rate me. Rate me if it
If
good.
it bad, me not rate
No,
you?
eh.
I'm going to get one hug. Big up yourself. Please, me, I beg you. Be more subtle when you're dealing with females, alright?
No problem.
Please.
Now, fellas, now she wants to tell him what to do and how to talk. Fellas, if you are finding fault, yeah, express it. You can do it in a respectful way. You don't have to be disrespectful about it, but you know, you could say respectfully, you know, I don't like the way X look or Y looks or Z looks. Then that's fine. You could be respectful about it. Also, ladies, you can be respectful if you don't find XYZ attractive about a man. We could both be respectful to each other, right? But with this type of woman, she's very masculine and she feels as though she has to take the reins, and being a domineering woman to a man is a turn off. Well, for me it's a turn off. I don't want no domineering woman. No. Me, I want a woman who's peaceful, who's supportive, who's feminine. This woman is not feminine, she's too masculine. Yeah, she's giving off insecure vibes to me. So now, fellas, you need a woman who's comfortable with herself and who's feminine and peaceful. Let's get into the video.
So I'm going to rate him now.
Yeah.
What your name, Top Coat?
Yeah.
This.
On to back.
I buy a machine.
You know, take off, just put the bag on one side. Once you put the bag on one side, cut the bag they get 0.
Alright.
Yeah.
Without the bag.
Yeah. More know what kind of t-shirt this. What kind of t-shirt? A big brand? A big brand? May I ask you a
You
question?
can't do that, a sheen.
A Shein that too?
Yeah.
May I give him 4?
4.
No, you can't do that.
But you know, I'm ask you, I just say drip alone.
So-
I do it right now, God no.
4.
I drip alone.
You want me to take off my clothes and keep on it?
Take off, you see now,
Yeah,
so I
that
go on.
one,
And your belly too, watch out.
Leave my belly alone and come first.
Okay.
Alright, you see what she just did? Now she's telling him, don't point out a woman's flaws. But she's right there pointing out his flaws about, oh, look by your belly how it big. See, the hypocrisy is hilarious. It's hilarious. She can do it to a man, but a man can't do it to her. This is hypocrisy. Fellas, stay away from these hypocritical women. I can't even say the word, but you know what I mean. Back to the video.
Alright.
Alright, how much should I rate him?
Alright, I'm gonna rate you now. I'm gonna rate you your style. I like your teeth.
Thanks.
I like your chain. I don't care how expensive it was, but I like it at all. I'm gonna give you about 8.5.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But
Yeah.
Yeah.
how much should I rate her?
I give her a 10.
10.
Thank you very
Tattoo
much.
with the brown and all of that, you know?
She does not deserve a 10. To me, she's a 3. She is a 3. Blonde hair, excess tattoos, the masculine energy, them long nails, as if she's a Wolverine in a X-Men. No, she's not doing it for me. I mean, nah. Oh hell no, not for me. She's a 3. She ain't no 10. Not in my book. The blonde hair, nah. Excess tattoo, nah. And the skin bleaching, no. She is a 3. Matter of fact, I'll give her a 2. No, hell no. Get out of here with that. Ladies, if you're born dark skin, stay dark skin. If you're born light skin, stay light skin. Me as a man, I love black women of all shades. Yeah? I love a black woman who is, you know, comfortable in her skin. Ladies, you got to love the skin you're in. Never bleach your skin. Right? Black is beautiful. Black is of the Most High God of, well, you know, I'm into the Bible, so yeah. Black is of the Most High. Yeah.
I'm gonna sing to you, sir. Can I start with it?
Like, yeah.
10.
Yeah.
Solid. Alright, come in, mama. Alright, so the man them where balloon get pop, grass with walk with grace.
Give me camera about this because I can't use it.
Walk with grace. Yeah?
Bye, gentlemen.
Alright, so 2 males are right here, so right?
Yeah.
Pick one of them and ask them a question based upon them answer, we're gonna see what go on.
Alright, so you know I have a chance to burst your balloon, right? So me is an artist, right? And you have 100,000. Cool? And I have a show. To get ready for your show, it costs me more than 100,000. You have 100,000, me not have no money at all, I not have no other money. I have to get to that show. You hungry, me hungry, I'm have to get to the show. Or you gonna split the money, are you not gonna give me no money, what you gonna do?
That is just for the biscuit. Cause you say you have to get to that show, so I just get the 100,000. Cause I'm sure no, so you're gonna make it back.
Yeah, sure, so you're not lie.
I'm sure I'm not lie.
Sure, you're not lie.
Sure.
Sure. You're good youths.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Alright, ask a question, theme question now.
Okay. So, I got 2 kids. I look good, of course, but I have 2 kids. Right?
Yeah.
One of my son is gonna be 13 this month coming.
13.
And the son of 5. Is him, I keep myself nice and right. So you my 2 baby father them alright. Them alive and well. But me and you know we match out and everything now, and me and you there. What are the responsibilities that are you gonna take up?
Of course, would I help you take care of the youth them and help you for reach 50-50 in terms of help you come in at the something. So I'm gonna help you take care of your bills them and them something and support and then show more for reach. I'm gonna help you ease the mental state.
Hell no, to the no, hell to the no.
Oh, heck to the no. Heck to the no. Fellas, listen to what she just said. She have her 2 baby father who's still alive and walking the face of the earth. Yeah, she has 2 sons by 2 different men who are still alive, who are still in existence, right? And she's looking for a man to help her take care of them 2 kids while the father is still alive. Fellas, don't do this to yourselves. Do not do this to yourselves, right? If a woman is looking for support, let her go get it from her baby daddies, right? You're not no support system. Yeah, don't sign up to be no stepfather. You could be a mentor to the kids, but don't sign up to be no stepfather, because that's what she's looking for, right? The responsibilities lies with the fathers of her children, not a man who's not the father of her children. She's very out of order. This woman is very disrespectful and bright. No, fellas, don't do that to yourselves. She should go and find them baby fathers and let them baby fathers they take care of her kids. That's a definite no for me. Heck to the no. Nah. But let's get back to the video.
You see it?
Right.
So 50-50.
Good answer.
Prior to helping you to develop as.
That's a bad answer. That is a bad answer. And I think some men need to start developing standards for themselves. Anyway, let's get back in the video.
My woman, you see it?
Right.
Alright.
Right.
Alright, suspense.
Yeah.
Based on the answer where you get, pop someone balloon right now.
It's a tiebreaker. Someone want to ask them sign now.
Sign?
Yeah, the sign.
Sign.
Where you sign?
All
Let me
right.
see. Your sign. What's your sign?
Crisis.
What's your sign?
That's a cancer, you know?
Yeah?
Cancer. July, man.
We you say?
July.
What that mean? I don't know much about sign. Tell me. Is that a good thing?
I'm sorry.
Why you pop film balloon?
I don't like spices, man. No Gemini. No Taurus.
None of them there.
Nope.
Now, I don't know why females believe in this star sign. Star signs aren't real. Star signs are fairy tales. You're gonna disqualify a man based on his so-called star sign. Really? And this is why a lot of people lose out on good potential relationships, because they go by fairy tales such as star signs. Oh my god. Oh god. Anyway, let's get back in the video.
No good. Walk with grace, Muji. Alright, so I will find out. Wonder if it's a match this, is it? So
Yeah.
if I can ask you a question, I will
You're gonna
find
ask
out.
me a question?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright. So, yeah, we in a relationship and we do the thing. If we have a conversation, right?
Yes.
And I allow you to express yourself, at the instant when I am expressing myself, what would you do?
So while you're talking, while you're expressing yourself, I'm expressing myself?
No. You expressed yourself already?
Yeah.
And now it's my time to express myself.
Yes.
And at the instant when I start expressing myself, what would you do?
What would I do? It depends, you know, because as a Virgo, you know, if we are reasonable about something where we are going to reasonable up on a level, if you get me cross before you start expressing yourself, you're going to cross right through. Right? But if you have a good reason and you talk to me, I don't talk already, and you my time to listen, best thing I'm going to do is listen.
That more here.
Okay.
Listen to your king, you see me?
Okay.
Listen to your king.
Yeah, listen.
You are my king?
Correct.
Or are you my king? I'm Harley Quinn.
Zoom in front of it. See Harley Quinn there?
What the joker there?
No.
Oh, fuck.
The Joker?
Harley Quinn?
Yeah, so we were
you know, also have same tattoo.
Destiny, brother, the galaxy, and she can, yeah.
Huh?
Yeah, brother.
So it's a match for you?
Yeah, and they will come out now, fire color, orange. Don't listen to what him have to say. Is it a bone? We are born up with someone we don't act already.
That is it.
So what you say, suspense?
Well, what I have to say is
it a match?
What's your name again?
Grizzly bear.
Grizzly Bear? You don't get nervous, Grizzly. Take back your balloon, man. So, Grizzly?
Yeah. Is it
First
a
thing
match?
first? Alright. I go straight out there. Me? No faithful. Secondly, man them for brown. Me no color prejudice bad.
There she goes again with the colorism. Fellas, stay away from women who are colorist, right? Because they're not aware of how beautiful being black is. Yeah, they have no black awareness. So stay away from women, Jamaican women, who are not aware of how beautiful being black is. The God of Abraham is a black man. Yeah, but colonization has, you know, badly influenced our people. But anyway, let's get back in the video.
Bad. I like you, your vibe is right. I'm gonna have to pop the balloon. I'm gonna deal with black man.
So you rasta no bleach.
No, you not have to bleach.
You see, a lot of our people lose out on a good partner for some silly reasons. She's gonna disqualify him because he's too dark skinned. Really? But lady, you're a black woman yourself. Oh my god. Anyway, back to the video.
So, oh, me have a brown.
You're not have a brown boy this time.
Mama.
You want me?
Yeah.
Skate out with me, not take me up and skate out.
No, it can't be.
Yeah, skate out with me. You still tell me out.
Now fellas, ladies and gents, we've come to the end of the video. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. I mean, this has been a very interesting video, right? I've seen some, you know, things in this video that make me say, oh my gosh, and shook my head. But people are entitled to their preferences. But it goes to show that sometimes our preferences lead us in the wrong direction. Yeah, a lot of our people are very misguided, you know, and this is why dating in 2024 is so difficult. But anyway, people, we've come to the end of this reaction video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like the video, comment, and share this video. Lewis Link Up TV, signing out. Peace.